In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change header colors in Squarespace. If you want to give your website a cleaner look or better match your branding, changing the header color is a simple but effective update. I'll walk you through exactly where to go in Squarespace so you can adjust it quickly and confidently. To begin, open your Squarespace site and go to the page where you want to edit the header. Once you're there, click on Edit Site Header. This opens the header settings area where you can control the appearance and layout of the top section of your website. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're in editing mode for the site. After that, click on Edit Design. This is where Squarespace lets you customize the visual styling of your header. Think of this section as the design control panel for how the header looks across your site. It's the place where you can move beyond structure and start adjusting appearance. Next, click on Color. This opens the color settings specifically related to your header design. If your current header color seems to be changing depending on the page or banner behind it, that's because Squarespace may be using an adaptive color setting by default. From here, click on Adaptive. This option usually means the header responds automatically to surrounding page elements or image backgrounds. That can be useful in some designs, but if you want a consistent header color, you'll want to switch away from that setting. Now click on Solid. Choosing Solid tells Squarespace to use one fixed color for the header background instead of adapting automatically. This is a great option if you want your header to stay uniform and visually consistent throughout your site. Once Solid is selected, click on Background Color. This will open the color selection area for the header background itself. This is the setting that directly controls the visible color behind your navigation, logo, and other header elements. Finally, click on Custom and then select your color. You can choose the exact shade you want for your header background. Take a moment here to pick a color that works well with your text and navigation links, so everything stays easy to read. A high contrast combination usually works best for clarity and accessibility. After selecting your color, your header should update right away, so you can preview the change instantly. That's how to change header colors in Squarespace. If needed, you can always revisit the same settings and fine-tune the color until it looks just right.